Well, we're starting to see the first little bits of snow from the so-called Bomb Cyclone. Not doing a whole lot at the moment, but it will be. It's very windy right now. And it's also really cold. It's in the upper teens. I think it's supposed to actually get a little colder later. This is what it looks like now. It's about 7 in the morning. Let's see what it looks like in a little while. So as soon as I walk outside, my lens fogs up. So I'm outside here in the so-called Bomb Cyclone. The name sounds a little sensationalistic, but it's actually quite accurate for this kind of weather phenomenon. Right now, it is snowing. See, this is the area I showed you earlier. And now it is, it's coming down pretty good. The plow has been through here several times. I'm going to go down this hill here. The plow's been through here several times, but as you can see, the roadway over there is still pretty well covered. They were through here only about 15 minutes ago, and it was clear when they came through. So it's really, it's coming down pretty quick right now. This area is not getting hit nearly as hard as New York City, Long Island, out in New England, Boston. They're really getting hit hard. We're getting the easy part of the storm, but still, all the schools are closed here. They're telling people to stay off the roads. There's a FedEx truck right there making a delivery. Those guys are dedicated. But, yeah, I'm off from work from both jobs today. So, I'm just going to stay here and watch the storm. So everyone, if you like these videos, go ahead and hit subscribe. Tell me what you think in the comments. Are you having a winter storm today too? Let me know. Oh my God, my glasses are so fogged up I can't see anything.